Hello guys, welcome to Cat in Short. In this video I am explaining you guys how to draw a line with the feet and inch dimensions which you guys are facing while you are drawing your project. For that we just type UN, enter. Then in this page drawing units we are choosing the engineering, and here we are choosing this feet comma inches, and then here we are choosing inches. Then we press enter. Just easy, just type L in keyboard and press enter for line, just drawing a line. For example 12 inches, which is equal to 1 feet, just like that. For finding the dimensions of our line, we are coming here, line, choosing this point and clicking here, and then this is 12 inches, which is equal to 1 feet. We are going here to dimension and style management, just modify. In here also we need to choose engineering. For that engineering, and choose this also the same dimension, and come to the text. Here we give our text size, that is these digit numbers dimensions. I am giving 2 feet, so I am giving 1 inches. Let's see. Done guys, see, 12 inches equal to 1 feet. This is for today's video guys. Hope you like it. If you like such a short videos of AutoCAD, please make sure to like and subscribe to Cat in Short. Thank you.